Well, here's it 6-foot black walnut log that I got cut into a cant now. the size of the cant is 6 1/4 by 5 1/2. Still a little bit of sapwood showing, but I'm going to cut this up into 4/4 boards and get them stacked and drying. But yeah, really like the green structure in this wood. And I noticed since I opened it up that the inside, the black walnut, is starting to turn brown now instead of a greenish color. So have to see what this looks like when it dries completely.